Yo, 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 this is your boy Dre, back again with another video. Before we get to our video today, our video review, gotta tell you, if you're in New York City, the best place to get a hot sandwich, anytime, day or night, up until 11 o'clock on the week, 24 hours on the weekend, is a place called Katz's Deli. World famous eating establishment. If you're in the mood for a hot pastrami on rye, beef brisket, or corned beef, or any of the other recipes on their menu, you can't lose with Katz's Deli. Okay, they're on 205 East Houston Street. Today we're going to take a look at Sony's noise-canceling earbuds and our hot sales of the week. What's up, everybody? This is Dre, and I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to look at a competitor to these BOSE. This is BOSE wireless earbuds, stereo earbuds. The best, in my opinion, the best noise-canceling earbuds on the market today. But they've got a competitor. And what you're looking at is the Sony WF-1000XMA stereo wireless earbuds. That's also high fidelity. And they have a noise-canceling system which they say is better than the BOSE. So we're going to take a look at the WF-1000MXA by Sony. A critical review. Okay, let's take a look. Let's do a quick unboxing and let's see what's in this new thing here by Sony. Let's open this up here. So you have a security thing here. So this can't, so we know that's been opened. Now, in the box is also, outside of this, is a quick start guide, so you can scan this and you can get a PDF. Let's open it up. You have the wireless earbuds wrapped up here. You have a nice carton here. And you have the paperwork, which is a quick start guide, whole bunch of advertisements. Here is the app that is connected to Sony and its audio system. I think it's more than just for the wireless stereo earbuds. Then you have an access code that's inside. You have the quick start guide. And actually, you can use this if you ever lose this, but nobody ever reads this. Of course, you have the warranty and a breakdown there. And I think you have it in a couple of foreign languages here. And then you have another one right there. So the directions, the quick start guide, the warranty, and the access code. All of that is in this little makeshift case. We'll just drop this back in there. Okay, what else do we have in here? Okay, inside there you also have a color coordinated earpieces. So you have the left and the right. And so you have small and large, and I guess on the thing here is the medium. So you have S for small, L for large, and it's actually it's foam. This is not one of those cheap silicone. This is actually memory foam. I don't know if you can see that. It's memory foam. That's nice. Usually they have included, which is the cheap little silicone, the very thin. But this is memory foam. You can see it right here. And on the other side of this case, and I like how they're using recyclable material. All of this stuff is recyclable. And even the box that it came in is tiny. So you don't have those gaudy, huge boxes, you know, that you end up throwing away, because you're not going to keep all of those big boxes around. It just takes up too much space. And then, of course, you have the wireless plug, which is a micro USB-C. So the micro USB-C, you can see that here. And then, of course, you have the standard USB output. Okay, so these are good to have. It's a little small, but it's always good. The USB-C plugs are always good to have. So we'll keep this in here. Drop that back in here. That bad boy in here. It's this way. And we will be right back. And later on, we're going to do a comparison between the MF-1000 by Sony, which are these, and the BOSE. Okay, so let's see if this new upstart can take on the champ. Back in a moment. Okay. And as you can see, it's a beautiful, it's not gray and it's not white. It's somewhat of a eggshell color, or maybe even a little bit darker. So it's not even cream. So it's a little bit darker than cream. And it's a handsome pair of headphones. So, you know, with the white, those things will get dirty almost immediately. And this is actually a nice variation. So it's a lot darker than white, and yet it's not gray. So it's maybe like a sandstone color. Okay, so this is very nice. And then, of course, just looking at it here, you have the connectors right here. Okay, got the microphone. You got the antenna right there. Okay, and that's the right side. And inside you have the standard case here. So you got the connectors, and they say up to 8 hours. Up to 8 hours of playtime. And then, of course, you got the charge port. This is tiny, 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 tiny when compared to the BOSE. Take a look at the BOSE and take a look at the Sony. Double the size easily. This is the BOSE and this is the Sony. There's a huge difference. This is a great use of design and packaging. Now, I'm not knocking this because I thought this was great in its size, but look at this. This is half the size, and it's light, you know? So let's take a look at that comparison. The BOSE are beautiful, though. Let's take a look at that. These are just beautiful. The BOSE are absolutely beautiful, but so are the Sonys. The Sonys are actually understated in its tone and its design, whereas the BOSE has it's a silverish white, and it's pearlized, so it has a nice glow to it. Okay, and you got a very generous case here. You look at the Sony. A little bit later, under a separate video, we're going to do the sound comparison. But I just wanted you to take a look at this and just from a visual point of view to see the difference between the two.
Okay, our hot sales pick of the week is the Nutra Ninja 1000 watt juicer. Now, you've seen this before, so we don't need to go through all the features here. But right now, Amazon has it on sale for $81.50, which is roughly about $10 less than you'd see it elsewhere. However, BJ's Wholesalers has it for $49.99. $49.99. It is a steal. So if you have a BJ's near your area, swing by and pick it up. It's only $49.99 this month, August 2022. Now, this is the set here. You have the blender, you have a 12-ounce mug, you also have an 18-ounce mug, and this also comes with a 24-ounce mug and a 75 recipe booklet. So there's a lot of stuff in here, and if you can pick this up for, $50 essentially, this is a steal. So if you're into eating healthier, I know I was just at Katz's Deli a couple of weeks ago. This is definitely something that you want to hang on to. So if you're in the market for a juicer, BJ's has this Nutra Ninja for only $50. See you next week.